David Bagley, welcome back. Maybe some bad news for Bruce. That snow is going to keep thinning here.
Yeah, next week at this time, Dave, it's going to be gone. I mean, it's going to be that warm next week.
That's
so
good news for a lot of other
Mainers. It is. And, you know, we had a pretty good season. We had a pretty good March for skiing, especially across some of the mountains. And it wouldn't be a bad weekend to go do some spring skiing.
There you go, last minute skiing.
Yeah, absolutely. So temperatures are cooperating as far as skiing goes out there tonight. And look at the temps already in the lower 20s across northern portions of the state. We're 23 at Caribou, Greenville 24, Millinock at 28 degrees, Calais at 31. So we're falling below freezing right now. 33 in Bar Harbor, and we said 35 in Portland. You're about to go below freezing in Freiburg. You're at 31 degrees, as well as in Berlin, New Hampshire. So watching those temperatures, they're going to continue to drop. And we also notice, you're probably also noticing that the winds are diminishing. So we have high pressure over the Great Lakes. That's going to be our friend over the weekend, though tomorrow's going to feel chilly. But Sunday will start our warm-up. We have a weak area low pressure moving along this frontal boundary. We had some severe weather down across Georgia, where we saw that tree fall at the Masters, which was pretty amazing. And all that's staying to our south. That cold front's continuing to move towards the south, and we're going to see skies continuing to clear. A few clouds north right now, but that cloud bank is now pushing into southern New England, and that's going to be out of here. It's going to set us up for a beautiful day tomorrow, but it will be on the chilly side. So temperatures dropping through the teens. Northern areas tonight, you'll be waking up in the upper 20s as you head down to Portland, along the mid-coast, a little bit cooler, and down east in the lower 20s at Calais. By tomorrow afternoon, some clouds moving across northern areas, but really not doing too much in the ways of, and no precipitation falling out of them, I should say. High temperatures mostly in the 40s tomorrow, some 30s north, and then really cool across northern areas in the 20s. And you may see a sprinkle or flurry across northern areas, some of the higher elevation with some upsloping winds. Still a little bit breezy tomorrow, but for the most part, everywhere remains dry. And then tomorrow night, we'll drop those temperatures back into the 20s north and 30s as you wake up on Easter Sunday. It'll be a chilly start for those Easter egg hunts. Another thing you want to keep in mind, we have some dry weather and we have low dew points and lots of sunshine tomorrow. So where there's snow has already melted, watch out for some outside brush fires that could occur. So watch out if you have any outside fires, burning anything, extinguish any type of smoking materials properly. That way we can keep that risk of fire danger pretty low tomorrow. Anyway, here's what's going on. Future windcasts tomorrow morning. We'll start out a little bit breezy across some of the higher elevations. Those winds may kick up just a little bit, especially central and northern areas as we go through the course of the afternoon. And we could see some gusts over 20 miles per hour. But I think as we go through the afternoon and evening, those winds diminish. And then again, tomorrow night's going to be a chilly night. In terms of wind chills overnight, because we're going to talk about that probably the last time of the season, I'm hoping. Wind chills are going to be close to zero. Northern areas below zero as Greenville tomorrow morning. So it will be a chilly start even down east. Look, it's going to feel like the teens, around 20 as you head down towards southern areas. So that's something we're watching. So just be aware of that in the afternoon. The wind chill factor really won't be too much of a factor. High pressure settles in tomorrow night. It crests over New England. Easter Sunday looks beautiful. Temperatures creeping up a little bit, mostly in the 50s, southern areas, still in the 40s and 30s as you get further north. And then next week, return flow around high pressure brings that warmer air into New England, and we have a beautiful weekend. Week, I should say, setting up. Gale warning in effect right through Saturday morning. Well, just a couple more hours. Seas 2 to 4 feet tomorrow. It's a 7-day forecast, and I didn't put any raindrops on there for a reason because I can't find anything that's really going to bring us any rain. It's Tuesday night. That's the only little impulse that may come through that may produce a couple of showers here and there, but for the most part, we remain dry. We start hitting the 60s middle portion of the week, 70s as we get to Wednesday and Thursday, and some spots in New England may even see 80. So, I mean, wow. Southern New England. So it's pretty a pretty nice ridge of high pressure that's going to set up over New England. It's going to bring us some beautiful weather. Along the coastline, we'll have to watch out for some sea breezes. So, you know, we'll kind of watch that as we get closer. But looks like a great weekend, great week ahead.
That's classic spring in New England. Might be pushing 80s in some places. My jaw almost dropped when I saw -2 as a wind chill in Greenville.
Amazing.
In the morning.
Amazing, amazing. Yeah, awesome. That's why I brought the wind chill map. I want everybody to be prepared for tomorrow. So.
And use the word crisp for the weekend. That's a good reminder. Layer up when you're going to see the family.
Absolutely.
For Easter. Thank you, David.